I will tell you some of them. Some of them like using real-time database updated by real-time. It's really amazing. We will talk about it. Authentication, doing authentication for user who using your app and track them. Cloud messaging, to send message to all your users. For example, you need to send some notification to all people who are using your app. Just very easy to integrate with your application. Storage, to store some videos, images remotely and access to it. Hosting, offering free static hosting for HTML, CSS, JavaScript if you want. Also, they have remote configuration. Like for example, if you want to do remote configuration for all users, for example, you have server A and you want to switch to server B, you don't have to add a new update for your application. Just update it from Firebase and it will be updated automatically. This time I want to get who using my app monthly, what part from system they click on. For example, if you see this is, he give me all that point from where my audience is they male or female, and also he give me a lot about the region, and most important part is interesting. What's the interesting for everyone who from users who using my apps? So I could get all these features for if you just adding some code in my application. Also, you could get events. What they do, for example, app clear data. So see most of user who using my app trying to clear my app data. First open, start session, so what my user click when they use my app for last 30 days. Also audience, I could get about my audience, places and purchases, attraction and funnels and more. All these features I could get it in very easy way. Just integrate Firebase with my application, and all these data I could get it to my application. So how I would get all these data for analyze application in my application. So first of all, make sure you open, just I will minimize this part because I'm working on this one. Just make sure you first login for any account you want, so on Google, then try to look for Firebase Google in the search, Firebase for Google, because there is more than Firebase you'll find, but make sure you are looking for firebase.google.com and go through it. For sure, for first time when you start for free, you will get something from you just sitting. Here you go. So if you see, he got a great application. Okay, great, please new application for me. He said, what's the name of your application? Let me name it Firebase Demo. Okay, I will say, oh, I just added this line in the beginning, so just remove it first. First app demo, region United States. I will create my application. Here you go. This is my project. If you see, this is a project created. All these features I could use it for this project. I will use him. I will teach you every part between video and other. But let me first time give you the analyze, how you could get analyze for your users. For I'm using Android, so I will click here Android. He say, what's the app name? I just open a new application. It's empty. But to get app name, I go to Gradle. This is the application ID. Let me make sure I Control-C, copy it, and go to Firebase bag and add it. One thing he asked me about this one, SH algorithm. So how you could get this one? It's really easy to get them by clicking new from Android, clicking new project and select the project type, click next, select map and click next, then next. This is very easy way, so you don't have to waste your time. Just demo application, don't care about it. So will give you this line, so make sure you are in Google Maps. You already will open it to you. This part you will need it, so just copy it, Control-C, and go back to your Google Map to add it here. There you go. So this is a very easy way to get it. You could get it from other ways, but this is, I think, the more easy. So he say he will give you some file. You say, okay, save file. I want to save it. So okay, I would save it to my download. So let me make sure he save it. I'll say continue. He say, okay, you want to do some configuration to make this part work. So first of all, you say, okay, download this one and add it to your app. He already downloaded to me. So if I go to my Firebase, like making sure here is the download part. Here is it. He will download it, this one. I have to copy this file and add it to your application. So make sure you copy it. So I just click Control-C. Then I would go where I store my application. I'm stored here my application. So I'm just making sure it's in the application. This is Android Firebase. Make sure you add it in the app file. So here you go, in the app folder. So click paste it. Now when you paste it, there to come here and click synchronize to just add Google to your application. So taking some time. When he done, that's great. Now we have to do some setting. If you go here back, you would see he say, okay, first add this line in your global file. So make sure you go to the your project and click on this one, model.app you have, and you have a project.app. See this project, this model. This first go to this project, the first one, the project, then add it here, add this line. I will go back again to Firebase. He say, okay, you have to add this one for your application. Okay, please add this one to my application level. So I have to add it here. So okay, just let me make sure I go down. Where is my app level? He say added in the dependency, I think. So I have to add it here, if I'm not mistaken. And we done. Just run your application and open your console here to see the data. So make sure we will wait until we see here successfully. Here we go. If you see the screen and you don't see any error here, that will be great. Everything is connected and you don't have any problem. So make sure you do this setting for our next upcoming video, because I will start from this point on next video. Thank you for watching and see you next.